Welcome back to Cook Mama Cook. I have a weekly grocery haul for you today. Let's get right into it. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to get started with the frozen stuff so I can put that away when I'm done. We have a bag of frozen passion fruit. Love this for smoothies. This is, it says snack size, so you can just snack on this as well. Throw it in a bowl. But smoothies, it is so good. It says right here, rich in antioxidants and good for your immunity and all that. We love also getting fresh passion fruit. Such a good fruit. So many times saying fruit to have on hand. Really good for you. Then these frozen wild blueberries that we always get from Trader Joe's. When we used to have the BJ's membership, we also got the big bag from there. I always read that frozen blueberries are better for you than the fresh ones. My dog is barking. She would not stop. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I have some fresh blueberries here. These are great for you, but I was reading that the frozen ones have a little bit more, like a power up, more antioxidants than the fresh ones. So we just like these just to put in smoothies though in general. But the wild blueberries are also, better for you than just these blueberries. So it's a lot. If you want to, dive into that whole thing about it, do your research. Blueberries are good for you regardless what kind, but yeah, if you want to step up the antioxidants, there's different kinds for that. Okay, and so, we've got the frozen stuff. Then we have this big bag of riced cauliflower. These come in microwavable bags, but we do not own a microwave. We never use a microwave. So I got this though just because this is kind of how they sell it. So I just cut open the bag and just throw it in a pan and steam it, and then just use this in place of rice for everything. And it's a good way to get another vegetable in to your meals and, low on carbs and starch and all that. So cauliflower rice, I definitely recommend. And you can put some soy sauce on it and it tastes just like regular rice with it if you enjoy it with soy sauce. So we got soy sauce because we make our own sushi. There's the sushi rice. If we, don't want to just have it with cauliflower, we do have sushi rice on hand. Sometimes we do mix it together. It's a little different, but, that's what we do. I love these Dr. Prager burgers. These are the kale veggie burgers. It's soy-free. It has 10 types of veggies in here and only 150 calories per burger. Gluten-free as well. Love those. This one is a new one that I have seen at my grocery store. I haven't seen it before. The drive-through burger, 110 calories, so 50% less fat. I have not tried this one yet. 10 grams of protein. I hope it tastes as good as this picture looks. So that's that. And then from Costco, I already opened it because I could not resist. I love this one, the marinated wild salmon. It has its own little, marinade in it with seasoned. It's seasoned already and it is just so good. Comes in a pack of 6. I just love this on top of cauliflower rice. Put a little veggie on the side or a side salad, and it's such a good, healthy meal. Okay, so I'm going to put the frozen stuff away, then I'll be right back. Oh, I forgot about these. My daughter loves these, so we get her these bean cheese burritos, 12 grams of protein. There's all different kinds of flavors. They do have organic and non-organic as well, 330 calories. These do take a long time to make in the oven though, like 30 minutes, not what it says on the back of the package, but that's fine. And she really loves them, so that's why we get them. I got 2. I think they were on sale for like 2 for $5. Okay, so I put all the frozen stuff away. Mentioned the blueberries. I actually got 2 of these. The other one we opened and it's already half done with. We love blueberries, go through them really quickly. We got some mangoes here, 2 kinds of mangoes from Costco. these big ones, and then these as well. We have some limes, sweet potatoes back there, and some avocados. Just some napkins. I figure I never show the paper stuff I buy, but like, I mean, it's not interesting at all, but I just threw it in there because it was in the shopping cart. So let's just move on. We have gluten-free pancake mix. Love the King Arthur brand. We always get this. We do get other varieties as well, but this is always our go-to for making pancakes. Then I got a 6-pack of these. This pasta from Costco. I just love the tricolor because it is so pretty when you have guests over and family and you make this pasta salad or whatever recipe you use for pasta, and it's just nice. It looks pretty in the dish. Not to mention it tastes really good and cooks up well. Okay, we have this pasta as well. This is a gluten-free one from Jovial brand, brown rice pasta. Sometimes with gluten-free you have to be careful how it cooks up, but this is not mushy and it's just like regular pasta, so that's why we always buy this brand. And then this we opened already. So good. These golden berries. They taste a little bit like a tomato meets a different kind of berry, and there you have a golden berry. So we cut these up and put them in our salads. So those are really good. Then my daughter's birthday is coming up, so I'm going to be using this to make her a cake, vanilla cake mix, probably with like a cream cheese frosting. I have some cream cheese here. Got 2 of these. The other one we opened. I believe it was like 2 for $6. Then my favorite, raw honey. It always has to be raw honey in a glass container. I'm very picky about honey because I'm picky how I make my tea, and this one just tastes the best with my green tea. So this is from the YS brand. They have other kinds of honey as well. This one, like I said, is my favorite. Then from Costco we got this avocado spray. It's a really good size too compared to the other ones in like my grocery store. This is a very good size. And then ordered this for my husband because he is allergic to tomatoes, so he can't have regular barbecue sauce or ketchup, and this is just perfect. No tomatoes in this at all. Hot and spicy honey mustard BBQ sauce. Some vanilla extract. Might add it with this, even though this is already vanilla. Just a couple drops of that. Some coconut milk from Trader Joe's. Some Tulsi tea. It's a good tea for you. Cupcakes. I'll probably be making cupcakes as well, so I got more of these baking cups. And then what's back here? Some more dried apricots. And from the garden we have some eggplant. Look how cute these little baby eggplants. Some cucumbers. Look at these cucumbers. We love making our own pickles from these. So good. And then some potatoes from the garden as well. So I'm probably going to make some mashed potatoes later, maybe with that salmon. So good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my grocery haul. More videos coming soon. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.